Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic power and connection so you don't waste time. Check that the keyboard is powered, batteries full or cable securely attached, and the hardware switch is on. Once done, unplug the keyboard, wait 10 to 15 seconds, press a key to bleed residual charge, then plug it back in. If the light still fails, restart your computer and try a different USB port or another machine. This isolates whether the fault is the keyboard or the host. Now you move into drivers and firmware, because lighting often depends on software control. Open Device Manager or System Settings and update the keyboard and HID drivers. Make sure Windows or your OS shows no errors. Next, download and install the manufacturer's firmware and the official lighting app. Use the exact model version. Then close or disable any conflicting RGB managers, power saver profiles, or macro tools that can override lighting. Once updated, launch the lighting app and apply a basic preset to test functionality. Finish by forcing a factory lighting reset and checking firmware level options so you cover stubborn settings. Use the hardware key combo or the app to reset lighting to defaults, and then confirm in BIOS or UEFI that USB power and onboard peripheral lighting are enabled. Test with a known good cable and alternate host to rule out wiring. If the keyboard remains unlit after these steps, consider RMA. The final troubleshooting tip: if lights occasionally flicker, replace the cable or suspect a failing LED controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.